Okay. And this would result in ecological changes. In ecological changes that makes life on Earth impossible. So, who puts such measure in a precise cycle every year? Such huge amount of water goes up to the sky and falls down to the earth in a precise manner. Who made this possible? Allah, who created the whole universe. But people deviate and do not recognize the Almighty Allah. Another miracle in the Quran. It is about the fertilizing winds, fecundating winds. It's amazing fact. Subhanallah, glory be to Allah, who said in the Holy Quran, وَأَرْسَلْنَا الرِّيَاحَ لَوَاقِحَ فَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَسْقَيْنَاكُمُوهُ وَمَا أَنْتُمْ لَهُ بِخَازِنِينَ. وَأَرْسَلْنَا الرِّيَاحَ لَوَاقِحَ, fertilizing winds or fecundating winds. لَوَاقِحَ. Okay, we would like to know the meaning of lawaqih. The meaning of lawaqih. This is an Arabic word. But before this, we would like to give you the corresponding meaning of this verse. It is this. And we have sent the fertilizing winds and sent down water from the sky and given you drink from it. And you are not its retainers. This is from the Holy Quran, chapter 15, verse 20, number 22. The verse tells us that the winds fertilize the clouds in the process of rain formation. Okay. Without fertilizing winds, rain would not develop at all. And I would like to describe to you how the winds fertilize the clouds. How the winds fertilize the clouds in order to develop water drops. Otherwise, water drops would not develop. Through the recent findings of science. But before we go into the recent findings of science, I would like to present to you the interpretation of the fecundating winds through the best of the companions. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud. This is one of the greatest companions. He said about this verse the following: the wind is sent bearing water from the sky. The wind is sent bearing water from the sky, then it fertilizes the clouds until rain begins to fall. La ilaha illallah. There is no true God but Allah. Who told Abdullah ibn Mas'ud such fact? He was one of those who lived 14 centuries ago But Allah the Almighty enlightened their hearts in order to understand His words. And the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said about Abdullah bin Mas'ud, who would like to listen to the recitation of the Quran as fresh as it was revealed, he can listen to Abdullah bin Mas'ud. So, who taught Abdullah bin Mas'ud that the wind fertilizes the clouds?